root, and this is what I got. Nice bundle of eddoes. So what I want to do now, time is hard for me to do this, guys, with one hand, but I'm gonna try, because I'm looking for dinner. So I come here looking for dinner. Yes, nice eddoe, guys, nice eddoe, man, nice eddoes. It's amazing. Yes, guys, if you guys only know how these things delicious and easy to grow, easy to plant. From this 2 root, this is dinner right here. This is only 2 root. So now I'm going to dig 1 more root. This is this one right here. Look at the eddoes. When they're ready, this is how they does look. The leaves start dropping, and this is the looks of them when they're ready for harvest. And in this time, this is harvest time for the eddoe. They take roughly about 6 months before harvest, but it's worth it. And if you get the right soil, this is another root, guys. See, nice size eddoes. More eddoes, guys. Guys, I'm not even gonna do any more, but I just want you guys to see. This is my eddoe harvest. 3 root, 1, 2, 3, and I have dinner. This with some okra, oh my gosh, this with some okra gonna be real slimy and nice, with some sweet pepper and some nice red fish. Yes, my people. Peace and love to you all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you.